Hey y'all, it's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and in today's video I will be reviewing and demoing the acidic bonding curl styling products. Okay, not the shampoo and the conditioner, but the gel, the curl refreshing mist, and the curl cream. So let's get into it. My hair is freshly washed. I use the regular acidic bonding concentrate. You can see it in that white bottle back there. So my hair is freshly washed, and the only thing that is a little bit different from my leave-in, I use the Redken All Soft Mega Curls leave-in because I did not purchase the acidic bonding curls leave-in, but it's still in their brand. This was an all Redken wash day, so I don't think that really affected my results too much. So that being said, if you guys are interested in how I feel about these products, make sure you're watching the entire video because I share my thoughts at the end. If you guys did not know, this was actually my first time doing a wash and go. I believe I tried it a while back when my hair wasn't fully natural, but I'm counting this as my first time. As you can kind of see, I don't know what type of methods I was doing. I was just doing things I had seen previously on Instagram and YouTube. Basically, I was just emulsifying the products in my hand and then using the little prayer hand motion to get the products through my hair, mixing with water, and then I'm like trying to shingle or whatever it's called. I'm trying to separate my curls. I have really small curls and they don't really define super easily. Like, it takes some work to make them define. But one thing that defines well is my ends for some reason. As you can see, I have cute little curls at the ends, but like my whole strand doesn't really do that. So that's really why I don't do many wash and goes. So this was definitely a first for me, but I can say that I don't mind how my hair turned out. I like the look of a wash and go. Basically, my hair goes out before it goes down, so I'm always have like a cute little fro. But that's why it's so important to have layers. I really do love the shape of my hair, so I do see myself doing more wash and goes in the future. When it comes to trying out different products, I will try some of them out using a wash and go. What else? Let's talk about this line, okay? The benefits: it restores the pattern of processed damaged curls and coils with the silicone-free and sulfate-free bonding shampoo, conditioner, and provides heat protection and shine with the leave-in treatment. It's best for damaged, chemically processed, wavy, curly, and coily hair. Recommended for curl types 4 through 8, 3A through 4C. You guys know I don't curl type, but okay. Suitable for curl patterns 3+, 2B and beyond. Stylers for curl patterns 3 to 8, 2B through 4C. Who looking for curl definition and frizz control. Saying this is for 4C is wild, but you guys are going to hear about that at the end. Undefined, dry, frizzy, dull, dehydrated, unmanageable, wavy, coily hair. That's a bold claim. Suitable for color treated hair. Today I use the hydrating curl cream, and it's a curl defining moisturizing light hold cream that provides easy detangling and heat protection. Its key benefits is up to 72-hour curl definition hydration, 81% frizz reduction, and heat protection up to 450 degrees. Okay, the refreshing curl mist is a lightweight leave-in spray that refreshes, rehydrates, redefines, and rejuvenates curls between washes. It refreshes 7-day curls without washing, hydrates and defines curls, 76% frizz reduction, redefined and rehydrated curls. Curls look and feel healthy and nourished, non-greasy, non-oily, lightweight formula. And the sculpting gel is to sculpt, style, and define curls with this vegan, non-sticky, non-flaking, crunch-free curl gel. Up to 72-hour curl hold, seals in hydration for up to 72 hours, non-sticky, non-flaking, no crunch, 76% frizz reduction, manageable, bouncy curls with natural movement. And we actually don't have a diffuser currently in the salon, so this is how my hair turned out after sitting under the dryer. Alright y'all, so thank you all for making it to the end of this video. This is 3 days later. I did my hair on Friday and today is Monday, and this is how my hair is looking. As you can see, it's already up. I have in a cute little claw clip at the back because I'm just not used to the fro look. Okay, I'm not used to wash and goes. This is my first wash and go, so after a while I was like, okay, the back ain't curling no more, let me put it up. And I think this style is very cute. I feel like I can get a few more days out of it. But let's talk about how I feel these products reacted to my hair, what I like and dislike, and wait till the end so you can see how I feel about the curl refreshing mist. But in this little portion I will be talking about the hydrating curl cream and the sculpting curl gel. Now, if you are a subscriber to this channel, which you should be, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, because on the channel we talk about all things hair, face, sewing, crocheting. It's so much fun over here, so make sure you are a part of the family. You would know that I've been so excited for these products. I love Redken as a brand, and they're so innovative with coming up with things for curly hair, straight hair, bond repairing. They're really always on the money when it comes to their products. So that being said, let's hop into how I feel about these. As you guys saw in the beginning of this video, I was doing my first little wash and go. I put a Redken leave-in, which was the All Soft Mega Curls leave-in. It is a cream leave-in. I put that first. Then I went in with the hydrating curl cream and then the gel. The application was nice. It had really good slip. I did it in sections. It wasn't like crazily defining my curls or anything like that. As you can see, it does have some definition. My curls are really small. Like, they're almost like mini waves. This is how my hair looks just using those two products. They are pretty defined. I wouldn't say those products gave me any shine. Like, my hair isn't super dull, but it's not as shiny as it could get with other products like my Mizani Coil Oil Gel. But the definition still looks pretty good to say it's 3 days later. It's not a whole 7 or even a 5. The definition does look pretty good, especially in my colored area where my hair isn't as curly, I want to say, since it is chemically treated. But even you can see back here that the curls look pretty good. This item right here, it was pretty hydrating, but it didn't leave my hair looking super moisturized or looking shiny or anything. It says it has squalane and jojoba oil, which are inspired by your hair's natural moisturizer, hydrates hair to provide curl definition, enhancing your curls for up to 72 hours. So it's definitely been 72 hours, and I can say my curls are still enhanced. My hair isn't like dry or brittle. It just doesn't have as much shine as I like. So I can definitely say that I will be using this product. Usually I'm not a cream girl, so I can definitely see myself adding this into my little gel and or foam routine. A little extra hydration. But is it something that I would repurchase? I would say no. I wouldn't repurchase it. This product didn't wow me, but one thing I do love is that they included a pump on it. I love the pump. They're always so innovative when it comes to their packaging. I feel like I would also like this for maybe a 2-strand twist out. I know when my hair is dry, and it's definitely not dry. It's just not super moisturized, okay? But even as you look at it up close, and I'm looking at it in my phone camera, it does have a little sheen to it, and I never put anything else on my hair but those two products. You see that? It's not a super like wet moisturizer. They said you can like kind of put it on your hair to kind of just refresh it. I'm not in love with it, but I do like it, and I can see the vision for it for sure. And the smell is very light. It's very like clean smelling. So if I had to rate this product, I'd probably give it a 3 out of 5 stars. It's supposed to do some frizz control. I don't really think that it did that great when it comes to the frizz, and I feel like my curls aren't as defined as they could have been. Now this product right here, let's talk about it. This did a little bit more when it came to defining my curls. I really do like a gel for my curls. I put it on with really nice slip. When I came from underneath the dryer, it did have like a soft hard shell on it, and I'll say a soft hard shell because once I like kind of fluffed my hair, that little shell was gone. It no longer had any hold. My hair is like pillow soft to the touch, and once you like play with your hair and get that little cast off, this product flakes. And I used this in my hair, and then I had a client Saturday and I used it in her hair, and I did flexi rods, and it flaked so bad in combination with another mousse, and that really ruined it for me. So this product is definitely a no. I don't want to have to worry about using this on myself or using it on a client and it causing their hairs to flake up or causing white flakes or stuff like that. I can say like right now I'm not getting any flaking as much as I was, so basically get the flakes out, but I don't really like that. That's too much extra work that shouldn't have to be done. I feel like they just need to like go back in the lab and fix that little issue, because when it comes to my Mizani gel, I do not have that problem with any white cast. It did give it a little bit of a shine. As you can see, this is how my hair looked the same day. It did have a cute little shine to it. After I slept on this hair, the hold was pretty much gone, and that little sheen was also gone. Like I said, my hair isn't dry. You know, the curls are still there. You can still see it, but they're not as defined. So that's why I'm very interested to see what the curl refreshing mist is going to do for me. to see if it can bring them back to life a little bit. And then the fact that on the bottle it says no flaking, like it definitely flakes. I literally used everything in their line. I shampooed and conditioned with their shampoo and conditioner. I used their leave-in and this product still flaked. It says no flaking, no crunch. I can definitely say that. Like after that little cast is gone, it has no crunch. It's very soft. But I'm feeling like these Redken products are probably aimed towards a looser curl. That's what I'm getting from it. This is a lightweight gel and the moisturizer is definitely like a lightweight moisturizer. But when it comes to my hair, it is a little bit coarser, and a lot of hair that requires a little bit of a stronger product. I need deeper moisture, I need deeper hold, I need a little bit of a stronger curl defining agent in it, and this product did not give that. I love a strong hold gel, and I was just trying this out because I was going to be fine. I know it's not going to be super crunchy. A lot of people don't like their wash and go super crunchy anyway. I was just upset at the flaking, and I just cannot send a product out into the world to you guys and it causes any type of flaking or any type of white stuff being left in the hair. So when it came to this product, I would probably also give it like a 3 out of 5 or maybe even a 2.5 out of 5, and that is something I never thought I'd give a Redken product. But these products really didn't do it for me, and I don't want to judge them too hard because I feel like they should have maybe some different levels, because not all curls require the same things and not everyone's hair is going to react the same way to every product. And I just feel like these products aren't for me. Since I have them, I am going to use them up, so you might be seeing them, but I'm probably mainly going to use them on me and my mom. I don't have my hopes up too high when it comes to this product because I just don't know what to expect. But let's see. It says to refresh curls and add lightweight moisture, spray evenly in workable sections through dry hair and scrunch up or recoil with fingers. Allow to air dry. Shake well before use. If it brings a little bit more moisture and shine back to the hair, if it can do that, this would probably be my favorite product throughout the line. But let's go ahead and see what it does. Make sure you are staying to the end of this video. Let me know what you're thinking so far. Would you try these out? So let's head over there. Alright y'all, so we have moved over. Let's see what it's giving. Like right here, it looks really good. Like it did good in certain places and then not in others, because my hair already doesn't have like a really strong curl. Thank God the front looks good because the back, like right here does not look good. Actually, let me let you see what it looks like down. This is why I'm not in love with it, because some parts look good. Like this area looks good and then this doesn't. Like it got frizzy and it lost the curl memory. So really the best part of my hair is this front part, which is hilarious because that part usually doesn't curl well. I'm just gonna shake it up first and then I'm gonna spray it in my hair. Okay, so I'm spraying it on this back part because this is the part that definitely needs the most help. It's making it damp, but I don't see what else it's supposed to be doing. I don't see that helping. It's not really rejuvenating anything. Let me put it on the...
Hey, Future Michaela here. This product definitely did cause frizz. The minute I went outside, all the curl definition was gone. Everything that I had left was gone, so I do not like the curl refresher at all. It just wet up the hair and did not redefine the curls or rejuvenate.
It's not bringing definition back to any of these areas that's gone. Basically, like I said, I could see this product using it to detangle your curly hair. That's about it. I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5 stars because it's not something that I can see myself using a lot. I would only use this unless I'm ready to comb it out, detangle, maybe move on to another style, throw something in there. And I'm not going to recommend that you guys go out and buy something that's not going to be life-changing for your hair, that's not going to impact your curls and your hairstyle in a major way. Like I said, this is definitely wearable. I love the way it looks. Beautiful for my first wash and go. I don't mind the big hair at all, especially with my layers and my cut. It's very cute. I love it, but I feel like I want to do a wash and go again with the products that I actually love. To me, if anything, is maybe making this a little bit frizzier. I don't know. So these products were just not it for me. Maybe these products in combination with something else is going to give a little bit of a better result. But as of right now, it's not something that I would repurchase, and it's not something that I was in love with. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to those of you who have watched it all the way through. I hope you are enjoying this content. I do have other natural hair products that I will be reviewing for you guys very soon, so make sure you are in the loop, post notifications turned on. I'll see you guys in my next video.